How to sell handmade ceramics on Etsy. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can sell your own products or your own handmade products in this platform. So basically, for those who don't know, Etsy.com is a platform which is known for selling products and mostly the handmade products. So here you can just come to this platform and create your own shop where you sell your own products. So for example, let's check this category and I'm going to show you an example of shops that you can create in this platform. So here, just wait for it to load. So here we have a lot of products, as you can see, and most of them are handmade products. So here, as you can see, we have a window as an earrings, which is a little bit weird, but we're not here to discuss that. So here I'm just going to click on this product to show you the shop that I'm talking about. That I'm going to show you how you can create like this one, as you can see. So I'm just going to show you how you can create a shop page like this one. So here, as you can see, she has 5 or 6 pictures of the same product, as you can see, when she is wearing it, and when it's just the product alone, product in some scarf, product again alone, and product in wearing. So just I'm going to show you how you can create your own shop page like this one. So here, let's just go to sign in to create our new account, and let's sign in, and we give it a few seconds to load. So here it's still loading. Just wait for it to load, and after it's loaded, click on the shop manager, and then here let's start from the beginning. We have 6 steps, and each step will lead us to the other one. If you don't fill the previous one, or you made mistakes filling it, you will not be able to proceed to the next step. So let's start with the shop preferences, the language, the country, and choosing the currency. So let's leave it in the United States dollar, and then let's click on the save and continue button. Here we choose a name for our store. So for me, I'm just going to choose the niche's name as my shop's name, and here we have the handmade ceramics is already taken. This name is already taken. So here you can just go with these suggested names, or you can just make an adjustment, and here we are, the name is available. Then click on save and continue, and then you proceed to create a listing. Here you upload the pictures of your product like the ones that we saw before in the beginning. And here, just to know, if you leave one of these sections empty, when you click on save and continue, you will not be able to proceed to the next step. So it's obligatory to fill all of these informations. And here, for the first one, you need at least to upload 1 picture, as you can see, and for me it's gonna be the primary photo, but I advise you to upload as much as you can. And also, you need to follow these tips: use natural light and no flash, include a common object for scale, show the item being held, worn or used, shoot against a clean simple background, add photos to your variations so buyers can see all their options. Then we have the video. If you want to upload a video explaining your product, if not, it's not obligatory. You can just upload it if you have one. If not, you will be able to proceed to the next step. Then we have the listing details, which start with the title. So here I'm just filling these randomly, so make sure to fill this pretty careful to avoid any mistakes or something like that. So here just answer these questions and then choose a category for your product. So just type in the name of the product, and here you will see all of the categories that are related to that product. Then you'll proceed to add in all of these other information. So for me, I'm just going to skip it because they are optional. And then we have the renewal options. If you want an automatic renewal or a manual renewal, then you have the type. If your product is a physical product or a digital product, then you have the description, where you can start with a brief overview that describes your item's finest features. Shoppers will only see the first few lines of your description at first, so make it count. So here you can just type a description which describes your product and which convinces people to buy it and talk about its features. Then you have the inventory and pricing. It's where you put or you type a price for your product, and you type in the quantity that you have in that product and the SKU number, which is optional. Then if your product have variations, you can add the variations in here. If not, you can just avoid or skip this one. Then you have the shipping settings, and here you choose the product's country, the country where you have the product, the original postal code, the processing time, and here you have the standard shipping, Morocco, everywhere else. Then you have the tariff number, preview shipping price, and last but not least we have the return and exchanges policy. So here we have two options. If you want to apply the simple policy that everyone uses, returns and exchanges within 30 days, as you can see in here, you can just click on apply simple policy. And if you want to create your policy, just click on create policy, and here if you accept returns, you turn this on. If not, you turn it off. If you accept exchanges, also the time frame, 30 days of delivery, 21 days, 60 days, or even 90 days. And also you click on save and apply. So that's it guys for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.